Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem, which is group anagrams. So what anagrams means is that, let's suppose we had a word eat and then also a word tea. Then we can see that E, A and T are all the letters also present inside our T word. So this is the simple meaning of anagram. So if two words are anagrams, that means each and every element of string 1 is present uh, inside the string 2. So this is the idea about anagram. So here in this problem, what we have to do is we have to group all the anagram together. So let's say eat is one of them. Eat and tea can be grouped together, and then tan, nat are also same. So let's dive into its approach part. So here we have given, let's suppose, a list which has eat, tan, ate, nat, bat. So what we do, we firstly sort each and every string. So if we sort this, then we got this string, right? That is A comes first, then E, then T. And then tan can become ant, ATE can become AET, then again this is ant, and again this is ABT. So after sorting this, what we do, we just after sorting we can see that AET are the repeated ones, then ant is also repeated, and then ABT. So we have to group the similar one together, or the anagrams together. So if we go here, then AET is at index 0 and also at index 2. So what we do, we make a map of string and vector, and inside vector the what we store the indexes of it. So let's suppose here 0 and 2 indexes are stored here in the form of vector. Then ant, so ant is present at index 1 and at index 3. So 1 and 3 vector is also present here. And then ABT, so it's the only element, so we can append it as inside the vector 4. So the index 4 is appended. So now what we do, we have to assess this map, and then simply we can append the elements, that is at 0 and 2 elements together. So eat and ate are grouped together, then tan and nat, then bat, and we have to simply return this. Okay, so now let's dive into the coding part of this. So here there is a vector string answer and then a v string. So here, since we are making changes inside our string vector, so what we do, we make a duplicate of it and then do the changes there only, and we have to reserve this given vector string. And now n is the size of the string. Then there is a map which is whose key element is string and then value element is vector n. So what we do, we sort vi dot begin comma vi dot end. So here vi is basically this element, ith element inside our v, and we contain all the elements of strs. And then after sorting, what we do, we just push back the ith element there. So in map, if the element is not present, then it will append it, and if the element is already present, then what it will do, it will append the index of that element. And after doing this part, what we have to do is we have to assess the map elements, and inside this I had created a vector string which actually puts back each and every yth index inside our vector string s, and then at the end what we are doing is we are pushing that as a string inside our answer string, answer vector string, and then at the end we are returning the answer. So this is the approach. Now let's try to run this code. Okay, now I am submitting this. So it got accepted. So this is the simple approach for the problem group anagrams, and if you want to access the code, then you can check the GitHub link given in the description. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.